Okay, in pieces is my Springfield Garrison in 9mm. Bought this, I don't know, Friday. It's past Friday, 3 days ago. Pile of MIM parts. Grip safety. Of course, that's MIM'd. I don't think they machined all those little Lego spots into it. The hammer is MIM'd. There we go. And the main strut is MIM'd. The sear is MIM'd. Oh, this is really great video quality. But it's done nicely. Oftentimes I'll stone or just replace these. I had a Ruger that was just absolutely atrocious. Ruger SR 1911 45 caliber, still have it. And it looked like it was melted. The slide stop, slide release, MIM. Disconnector appears to be MIM'd, but it's done nicely. It's polished. Thumb safety, MIM, but no big deal. What else we have here? Oh, the mainspring housing is steel, and it is MIM'd. It's heavy. Firing pin. Stop is, where are the MIM marks? MIM. I used to get all worked up over MIM. Not too much though. I just replace the disconnector and the sear. I'm not going to replace a grip safety because it's MIM'd. Magazine release. Got May. I doubt it's MIM'd. Unless they MIM it, polish off the MIM marks, and then drill their hole down through there. This is difficult for, it's the only magazine release that's ever been difficult for my wife, or impossible to drop the magazine with. The slide is not MIM'd. These are marked with the last 3 digits of the serial number. Nicely done, very clean. The bluing is beautiful. You have to see it in person. Everybody says that. No, I'm saying it. Not MIM'd. Very clean. Fits in the trigger groove nicely. I did pass by it with 1 or 2 swipes of an Arkansas stone all the way around, and now it's super smooth. The frame, not MIM'd. Nicely done. We fired 100 rounds through this, and you can see there was a bit of a high spot there. Welcome. It's all very nicely done. The trigger pull is, boy, why am I showing a gun that's in pieces? Oh Jesus, I'm getting old. That is not MIM'd. Recoil bushing not memmed. Mainspring housing pin doesn't seem to be memmed. Ouch. What else you got here? Of course, spring's not memmed. Mainspring. Firing pin not memmed. And I think that's about it. Grip panel springs not memmed, or screws not memmed. Why in the world? Barrel bushing, jeez. I'm turning 61 in a month. I blame it on that. Done nicely. Yeah, no problems. This was very accurate at 25 yards. Shaky cam and bad focus. Oh boy. Everything you'd ever want. That's about it for the parts. Novak sights, style sights. It's got a little Allen key in the middle. I haven't loosened it up yet, but I doubt it'll just fall right out. But it doesn't need any adjustment. This is at 25 yards. This was hitting dead on. I didn't poke the extractor out because I'm just too lazy. I like them apples. 3 dot. I don't care. I paid $700 for this. Shipped. And then $30 for the FFL. But yeah, it works great. My wife loves it. That's the reason we bought it. And thought I'd show you around on the inside. Let's see if I remember how to put this back together. Of course I do. Take care.